Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Locathor brand, their J401 Jump Starter. Now this comes in this really nice, very sturdy box. And let's open this up, let's take a look what we got inside here. This looks like the instruction manual, very nicely packed in cardboard, protecting it. And then on the bottom of the box, there's two boxes inside here. So in this box we have a USB-A to USB-C cable and a USB-C to USB-C. We're going to show you how to use these. And a cigarette lighter adapter, very nice quality. Got little nice finger holders right there with a barrel plug that's going to match the unit so that you can charge this in your car. And this looks like the extremely heavy duty jump starter cables. Wow, these are really heavy duty and extremely high quality and flexible. I'm totally impressed with that. And it has a nice rubberized cover to protect the end. Wow, look at the size, look at the gauge of that. Unbelievable. And look at the nice quality of these. Very, very tight spring, high quality brass, and very flexible. This looks like about 6 gauge to me. Very, very expensive quality material. Yep, it's 6 gauge right on there. Very nice. Okay, we get everything laid out right here. So as I mentioned, this is the Locathor brand J400 Jump Starter, 60 watt USB-C, 2-way fast charging, USB-A powered bank, 2500 amp, 12 volt portable lithium carb battery booster pack, and jumper cables, up to an 8.5 liter gas and 6.5 liter diesel engine. Just to show you the display. Really nice and bright and very even lighting on that display. Very impressed with that off the bat. This has something called the force start function on here. We're going to be demonstrating that if the battery is depleted and it's less than 8 volts, it will manually override and allow you to jump start it. The lowest it'll detect is 2 volts. So if your battery is below 2 volts, you're not going to be able to jump start it with any jump starter. You have to go across real 12 volt batteries, which is kind of risky. But this will detect all the way down to 2 volts. But typically below 8 volts, you're going to have to do the force start. You're going to be pressing the power and the light button, this plus this at the same time, and then it'll go into a force start mode by hitting both of these together. And there you go, you see that force start right there? So it's telling you that's got the main voltage coming out 15 volts. So that means it's going to bypass any problems that you might have, and it's going to allow you to jump start your completely dead battery. That's a nice function. This company provides a full 12-month warranty on this product, and I'll tell you, after looking at the quality of this so far, I can see why this is very, very high quality product. So this can generate a starting current of 2500 amps after it's fully charged, and it can achieve 60 jump starts, which is pretty impressive. And you can jump start any kind of battery. We're going to show all those charging ports on it. We're going to show you the headlights on here. It has intelligent and multi-protection safe circuitry in here. It'll detect the voltage of the car battery in real time and alarm for abnormal conditions. It has the latest battery management system. It's provided with short circuit protection, over current protection, reverse connection protection, overheat protection, overtime protection, spark-proof technology, and clip falling off protection. These are all really important things when you're jump starting a car. This has a ruggedly built enclosure, and I've never seen this before. This enclosure is IP65 water resistant, so you can shoot water jets at this at any angle and it's not going to intrude itself into the electronics. It's 94V0 flame retardant, so you don't have to worry about rain, dust, And the material on here is flame resistant, which is really unique. I've never seen that before. This is really durable. It'll work from -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So you don't have to worry about high temperature extremes either. This company would provide a reliable service and lifetime service support along with that 1-year warranty. Now the light functions on here are really nice. It has dual LEDs in the front. You just hit that button right here, hold that down, and it comes on. And they're really bright, and they've got diffusers in there, which is really nice. You hit this again, and it goes to emergency blinking mode, red. Hit it a third time, and it goes to a slow blinking SOS pattern for emergency. And then one more time, and it turns off. Now to gain access to the output where you're going to be jumping, on this end right here, it has this really heavy-duty rubberized siliconized cover. Same thing here, it's got a nice cover on there. You'll see one side is flat, the other side is round, so it only goes in one way, matching just like that. You plug it in just like that, and then you're ready with your, in this case it's still in the forced start mode, but you're ready to jump start the vehicle. Now on the opposite end, you have your 12-volt input, and there's where you're going to be using the included cigarette lighter adapter to plug that right into there, and that way you can charge this with your cigarette lighter in your car. And then you also notice there's a USB-A there. We're going to demonstrate that. That should be an output port, so you can use this huge battery as a power bank. That's also an output port right there, USB-C. It's also an input port for how you charge this device. So to charge this is really simple. I have the USB-A port plugged in to a 2 amp output supply right here. You can use any 1 amp or 2 amp that you have. And then the other end, this is the included cable. The C connector goes right there. And then on the display, it starts to give you a status indicator of the charge on there. And so you can see the display, it says in because we're giving it some input current and voltage. And you can see that it's got the display running across like a banner. And when it's fully charged, it's going to stop doing that, and they're all four are going to be displayed and lit. Another thing that's really unique about this is that a lot of these units will take a lot of energy just sitting there on your shelf. This unit draws a very small amount, like a fraction of a milliamp. And what that means is that this will have a shelf life of many, many months, that you don't have to worry about keeping it charged. Every so many months, every 3 or 4 months, you should charge it so that you have it ready in your car for your use. Another great feature is I'm taking the included USB-C to USB, and I've got it going right to my Pixel 6, and it is charging it. And this has got a huge capacity battery, so you're going to be able to charge many devices many times before you have to recharge this unit. So here I'm charging 2 devices. The included cable right here is USB-A to USB-C, and I'm charging this device right here as well as my Pixel 6. So it'll allow you to output 2 different devices. And while it's charging those 2 devices, you notice it's giving me status. It's telling me that it is outputting to those 2 ports. So that's why this is an intelligent display. So let's demonstrate how this operates before I hook it up to my actual dead battery of my car. I've got the plus coming out, going to this power supply, and the minus going there also. So this is going right to the output of it. This is simulating what your car battery is. Battery is about 11.27. It needs a jump. So let's just turn this unit on and see what happens. You notice it went to 14.9, and what it's doing, it's starting to jump start, and it's increasing the voltage. You can hear a click right there. This is also displaying the voltage of the battery, which is nice. So, but it's jump starting the battery. If you want to just measure the voltage of the battery, you can short press the power button right here, and then it'll display actual battery voltage. You can see it's showing me the actual voltage that's going in. That way you can see the status of your car battery before you actually do the jump. So we've all had this happen. You go to start your car and you crank it, and this is what you hear. So what do? Take the keys out and jump the vehicle. So here I'm going to connect it to my car. I got the positive on this side and negative on this side. And there it goes, and I can go start my car. Now we've got the jumper on there. And there you go. Car starts just fine. That gives you opportunity to go get battery checked or change it yourself. But it gets you off the road and you don't need a tow. So what do I think about the Luckthor brand, their J401 jump starter? This is a cool product. This thing seems to be built like a tank. The cables, everything about this just says quality. I love everything about this. I love the side light on here. I love the way this thing jump starts any car, even down to 2 volts. This is a cool, reliable product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information that I presented here helped you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.